Hello everyone. Today we talk about very important cybersecurity standard known as ISO 27001, which is a globally acknowledged standard focused on building, implementing and improving information security systems, or ISMS. It provides a structured way for organizations to manage sensitive data, improve security, meet regulatory requirements and build stakeholders' trust. Let's explore how ISO 27001 can reshape your cybersecurity strategy. In today's digital economy, information is your organization's most valuable asset. With the rise in cyber attacks, data breaches, and compliance regulations, protecting that asset is more crucial than ever. ISO 27001 provides a globally recognized framework designed to enhance your data systems and operations. It outlines the requirements for establishing and maintaining an information security management system, ISMS. So what is ISMS? ISMS is a coordinated system of people, processes, and technology designed to manage and secure sensitive information. Let's examine the core elements of ISO 27001. This is your organization's wide range blueprint for data protection, covering everything from HR records to cloud infrastructure. Secondly, it addresses risk management. ISO 27001 requires organizations to identify, evaluate, and address threats before they result in harm. Third point, continual improvement. Through regular audits and updates, your ISMS evolves to meet changing risks and technologies. Number 4. ISO addresses legal and regulatory compliance. Your data handling process aligns with standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and other international regulations. And finally, certification, which is an independent audit. These demonstrate your organization's commitment to information security, building external trust. Now a question arises. Why is ISO 27000 so important? It strengthens your ability to protect data against breaches and insider threats. It enhances your credibility and trust with customers and business partners. It provides a competitive edge in security-sensitive markets and RFPs. It can reduce costs by preventing security incidents and legal penalties. And it drives operational efficiency by enforcing clear, structured processes. ISO 27001 is suitable for a wide range of organizations, including technology startups, financial institutions, healthcare providers, e-commerce platforms, and any organization handling sensitive or personal data. Here is how to become ISO 27000 certified. Step 1. Define the scope of your ISMS. Step 2. Conduct a thorough risk assessment. Step 3. Implement necessary controls to mitigate those risks. Step 4. Document your security policies and procedures. Step 5. Undergo both internal and external audits. Step 6. Maintain compliance through regular reviews and updates. In a world driven by digital transformation, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is essential. ISO 27001 is your roadmap to protecting data, ensuring compliance, and building long-term resilience. Whether you are a startup or a global enterprise, this is an investment in your future. If this helped you understand ISO 27000 better, please like, share and subscribe for more insights on cybersecurity and compliance. Do you have a question for me? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Mindset Matters 360 or 7U. Thank you.